How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly add or embed a video onto your emails that you send to your subscribers on Klaviyo. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. And the first thing that you guys need to do is you need to log into your Klaviyo account as an administrator, and you want to navigate through the dashboard. So once you guys are in this page right here, you want to navigate to the left-hand side of the screen till you see the configuration options. So there's home, flows, sign up forms, campaigns, audience, and whatnot. So what you're looking to click on here is campaigns, because here's how we actually integrate the videos onto our emails that we send to our subscribers. So you want to click on campaigns, like so, and you'll be brought to this page here where you want to create a campaign. So you'll be met with three different options, being email, SMS, and push notifications. So to actually do this, you want to select email first. You want to add your campaign name. So let's do test video, add the date, the tags, if you have any registered tags under your Klaviyo account. So you want to click on save and continue. Then you want to configure this, select the recipients, like group of people that you want to send it to, like your newsletter subscribers or maybe your employees or whatever. You can also additionally add an option to not send it to a specific group of people, like so. So you can select anything under don't send to, and essentially just mess around with some of these settings here. So you want to click on continue to content, like so. Oh, actually, we have to pick a recipient, so let's just do newsletter. Then click on continue to content. And once you guys are in this page, you want to click on this little button right here that says HTML. So you click on HTML, you basically want to copy, or alternatively, you can click on this little drop down here and click on change template, like so. And the easiest way to do it without any coding is clicking on drag and drop. And you'll be redirected to this page right here. And assuming you guys don't have a registered template under your account, you could pick from one of the presets that are provided by Klaviyo, or you could create one from blank. So let's actually create one from blank, like so. And anytime you guys click on a text box or an element within the email, you get to add a source code, which we will input our YouTube video to. So if I were to click on this, for example, you can click on this, enter source code, and then type in the YouTube address. Okay, so here we are. And yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And thank you all for watching.